if we were really pushing it, could get 100 over the weekend without too much trouble. So, we're not doing this as fast as we can either, so we're just trying to do it at a slow pace.
Hey, Lucas, he's gonna take him out.
Plus, our numbers are skewed because he lets some go that don't get banded.
Just looks inside. Oh, listen to
Stop! What do you think? Yeah. So that's why he's going. Look, he puts him on.
She's very good.
It's probably like a big hammock for her.
I want to move that male passive just for fun.
They're gonna put something on his foot. Are we doing that?
Is the band always put on one particular, like left or right?
It's whichever one is, you know, I always put them on the right unless it's not showing me its right leg. And I would say that most people put it on one or the other, but it doesn't have to be on one in particular. We check both legs.
Yeah. It wasn't catching anything in the middle.
There's a wing.
Is that a female or a male?
That measurement I just took on the wing is female. The females are usually a few millimeters longer than the males.
Oh, okay. So it's not like, you know,
23 tail.
the most colorful ones are the males. That doesn't apply.
The colorful ones are adult males, but the young ones look like females, so the measurements help, or can look like females, so that helps us make sure we're not getting fooled.
Do any of them stay all year? I don't know.
Ruby throats don't, but we do get winter hummingbirds sometimes, usually rufous, which are coming from the Pacific Northwest, and they actually are cold hardy and can survive the winter as long as whoever's hosting it makes sure their feet are freeze. Or we get a polar vortex. That's
I just moved here from California.
you've got rufous and Allens and things like that. Yeah, we usually get a couple reports of rufus or something like that every year.
No broods.
You know, I did get a rufus at my house when I first came.
That one was 24.
Slept for 2 days, never moved, never went to the feeder, just sat there. I thought something was wrong.
Well, it was probably guarding the feeder, and you